sucks up when I come to Dad's place to wash my car. Just wish he'd give me some binder. Thanks, what's he doing? He's in the shed. Just tinkering around in there.
What's going on here?
Oh, I thought we could wash my car.
What?
What?
Wash your car?
Yeah.
What's
Thought you could give me a hand.
what's wrong with your place?
Oh, I don't have help there.
Didn't you get a gurney and stuff for Christmas?
I did, but
Didn't you get a house?
I like your gurney.
Didn't you get a house? Your gurney's the same as mine.
Oh, it's not. You know, this has a little bit more use. It's a little bit more wise.
Well, I got people here.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the Overtakers.
Yeah, they're here.
G'day, Overtakers.
They're here. We're going to do a shed tour. Have a look around, see what's going on.
But
Got
I
this
wanted to-
big new thing here and that new thing there. All that over there.
I wanted to wash my car though.
Well, all right, let's wash it. But we're going to have to do a shed tour.
So what products are we going to be using off the shelf in here today?
Mate, I don't know. Let's have a look. What's the binder range? What have we got going on here? Here's a new one. This is new, not for the car, but this is for your microfibers. Like towel and pad cleaner. We've got the tyre coating wax. We've got the premium wheel cleaner, extreme wheel cleaner. We'll use a bit of that today, I reckon. Glass cleaner, slick wax, hydrophobic wax, a bug cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, some pre-wash. That's the premium pre-wash. We've got the shampoo, interior cleaners and waxes, iron removers, and a nice citrus neutral pre-wash as well.
You skipped over one.
Did I? Which one
in
did I
the
miss?
middle here.
Oh, the sandal wax. Ooh. You don't expect me to wax the Skyline as well today, do we?
I think we'll give it a nice coat of slick wax though.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Have you done the sandal wax on it yet?
I haven't.
Man, better get on it. Better get on it. Hey? But let's use some binder.
Let's do it. All right. So now we got the gurney all hooked up. What's next?
Mate, you got to fill up some buckets.
Fill up some buckets.
Hey? Where is?
Get some water in some buckets. Bit of shampoo.
Bit of premium shampoo.
And the wash bucket. Got the rinse bucket as well. And the wheel bucket. Handy to have 3 buckets, isn't it? Handy to have 3 buckets, isn't it?
Mate, if you want to do a proper 3 bucket wash, yes.
Yeah, well, I suppose you're not going to do a 3 bucket wash without 3 buckets, are you?
There you go. A little squeeze of that. Don't need too much at all. Half a cup. We're good to go.
Half a cup. Half a cap.
Half a cap.
Half a cap, there we
But I
go.
reckon you need to get on and snow foam this sucker.
What about the wheels? We do snow foam or the wheels first?
Whichever you want to do.
Leave it in the comments. What do you do first? Snow foam or wheels?
Probably the wheels. This one back, we'll get some car wash and some pre-wash.
Yep.
And we'll do a snow foam.
Let's do it. Thought you said we weren't waxing the car.
Ah, well, needs a bit of protection, hey? Make it easy to wash next time,
Smells nice.
doesn't it? Smells amazing, this
It needs
stuff.
smell vision in here.
Smells amazing.
It's like a candy. It smells like.
Oh, bubble gum, I think.
Premium hydrophobic wax from Binder.
Okay, a bit of sandal wax, now a bit of hydrophobic stuff over the top, eh?
Yep.
How's that finish coming along?
It's Coming along pretty good. So guys, the Skyline's clean and Dave couldn't keep you waiting another week, so we're doing the shed tour as a bit of a bonus to this one.
Shed tour this week. Let's have a look around. What do we got going on, mate? I got a few additions to the shed at the moment, so a little bit happening. We've got to do some rearranging and stuff in here, but yeah, we're making it work, right?
Yes.
So maybe grab the GoPro so we can follow around and have a look at a few bits and pieces. So.
All right, let's start at the front. What have we got going on here?
Mate, I've just finished this one last night actually, so the shop dog. Shop dog, attack ya. Just finished this one last night. This is the 4-tap kegerator and ready for some good Thursday night live show sessions. But
just a bit of sterilised water coming out of there at the moment.
Yeah, mate, I haven't got the beers are brewing. So beers brewing, ginger beers brewing, hard seltzers brewing. We've got a bit of everything going on, but we do fit 4 kegs in there, 3 in there at the moment. But we're swapping them out for some different ones, and we will fit 4 kegs in there. So yeah, the Kegland Series X, and I just did some slight modifications with insulating all inside of here last night. So the cold air actually pumps up from the fridge into there as well, but I put insulation in there just so it'll really keep the beer lines cold. And then I put a regulator on the back there as well, Tyler, so just down here actually, gas line regulator. If you watch the live show, like there it is up on the shop TV, then this is sort of where we are, but it looks a bit different on the live night, doesn't it? So, yeah. But that's the workbenches. Yeah, we've got a couple of workbenches, some storage underneath, you know, of course the old shop bin, and some cupboards, all the camera gear. So we've got a full charging station. It's all right, they're tough. Schumacher. Full charging station there it's portable. It's all in a Pelican case. Different bits and pieces like the drones and stuff, all the camera bags full of gears, all the lenses, the gimbals, all the bits and pieces. We've got a big roadie case here that holds the live show. So there's a couple of computers in there, the streaming deck, all the audio gear, and we pull that out and connect it all up when we do the show, which we have the microphones just up here. They stay permanently up there at the moment. It's just easier, and we just pop them away when we don't do the show. So the signs and everything just been living out as well. You can't see me looking that way. The lights behind. Yeah, so we just pull them out as we need to. Those signs and everything just end up living there. We've got all our gear for the website. Some of ours are stock. So the lights from Schumacher, big workshop light, that's a new one. The battery chargers, the jump starters, the big battery chargers, all the binder gear which you saw. Another beer fridge. Okay. Can't have enough of that, so definitely not. And then we've got the other new setup in here at the moment, the Roland Versacam. So we can do all our own print as well. So printing anything from stickers to banners to signs to posters, to canvas prints. We can do it all, and we'll see some of the stuff that we do. And that's actually a little bit different, not really Overtaking Lane, but over on Right Lane Print and Media. So check that page out. It's not a YouTube channel or anything like that, but that's where we'll do all that sort of stuff. And yeah, we'll produce some of the stickers for Overtaking Lane. So, well, cool little HJ ones. I really like these ones. So, we've got, that's just some test material there, but we've got some nice new glossy stuff as well coming. Merch, a few shirts, all different styles of drying towels. We just had someone come in and pick up an order of half a dozen drying towels. They love them. So, yeah, it was an order for a car club. So that was really cool. And people, once they use them, they love them. So,
A few stickers up here.
yeah, it's just a few floating around. The old toolbox. So all my older tools, or some new stuff, all older spanner sets and stuff in the top drawer. All the sockets up the top. And here we've got old screwdrivers.
Screwdriver handles.
Yeah, some broken ones, bits and pieces. Some more spanners, more pliers, wiring, crimpers, strippers, all those bits and pieces. Odds and ends in that one, bit of everything. And then more sockets.
And then a full new Tool Pro toolkit.
I had this one for a while, but yeah, still, this is a really good kit. So I wish they still did this one. It's been awesome. All the screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, drill bits and cutting discs, bits and pieces like that. The nut set, drills,
Ryobi stuff.
all the Ryobi gear. Yeah, some more in there. Grinders and cutters and bits and pieces. So yeah, a bit of everything. Got the welder, the Unimig. Just about to weld up a stand at the moment to house all the vinyl for the cutter printer. So that's all banner material for doing stuff like this. So we've got the eyelet punch and everything over there as well. So nice, another Schumacher jump starter there. My first welding project was the little portable table there. So that comes in handy, doing a few bits and pieces.
Drill press and whatnot on there.
Yep, few odds and ends. The shop vac, got the gurney. We use the just the Ryobi, the quick jacks.
You would have seen in the previous video, which will pop up in this corner up here.
Yep.
When we put those together and test them out.
The Holden banners, of course. You know. More vinyl. So vinyl, we've got laminates and stuff there. So yeah, a big collection of microfibers for polishing. So drying towels we use our own, but when it comes to polishing, just get these cheapies that
Kirkland signature.
they work all right. Plenty of shop towels.
Schumacher working away.
Yeah, and the cars.
They would have all seen this one. They know what this one is. So.
Yep.
And I'm sure they know what that one is.
Of course, sitting in here. We've got some drag wheels and stuff sitting up there. Bits and pieces. I think that's pretty much it. Like we've got the VE, we've got the HJ. Yeah, we've got the OTL trailer out there as well.
Yep.
So, which is going to be wrapped soon. So, leave a comment if you'd like to see that. But we're going to print the wrap here and then wrap the trailer. So, if you're interested in seeing that on the channel, then let us know. But,
or if you have some suggestions of what we should put on it. Obviously, Overtaking Lane related, but you know.
That's it. It is, and then we'll might wrap the Integra as well, hey. So we'll print a wrap for the Integra and do something with that too. Goodies down here that sent to us. We'll see in an upcoming video as well. Some Max speeding rods sent us some goodies. Not for these couple, but maybe for some Honda-ish stuff. Some no disrespecting. And Keglin sent me some goodies. 22 bottles of hand sanitizer. We've got a heap of different stickers we just started playing around with in the last little while, all these. Tell you what, any orders in the next 7 days from the website gets a free sticker pack as well. What do you reckon?
I reckon they'll be pretty stoked with that.
Drop in special instructions, send me my free stickers, and we'll send them out with the order. You've got to order something as well from the website, but order anything. Maybe grab yourself a stubby holder or something like that, and we'll chuck in a heap of stickers for you as well. So I reckon that's about it. That's about the OTL HQ. That's what you've seen in here. So there you go. What do you reckon, guys?
I reckon they would have enjoyed that, or something a bit different.
Bit of a look at the other side of what's in here, because it's sort of the other side of the cameras you see on a Thursday night on the live show. And yeah, a few odds and ends and bits and pieces around the place. It's not a massive shed. I guess it's not tiny either. So it's, we've already outgrown it. So it was pretty big when we put it in, but we have outgrown it. So and just because, you know, we've got the print shop and stuff starting now, we're trying to do something with that and build it up. But yeah, you know, if anyone is up for any custom one-off designs or pictures of their cars printed, things like that, we can do all that stuff too over at Right Lane Media. So that's about it.
Yeah. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you head down below, leave a comment. We mentioned earlier about leaving a comment. What do you do first? Wheels? Or do you snow foam your car first? Let us know in the comments below.
All the wraps.
All the wraps, yeah, suggestions.
Some comments about the wraps.
Yep. Drop a like, smash the like button, smash the bell when you're hitting subscribe as well. That way you get notified whenever we upload one of our weekly videos on a Tuesday. And check out the lives on Thursday nights. Check out some merch online, overtakinglane.com.au/shop.
All right.
See you in the next one.
Stay in that right lane.